Welcome, Standard 10, Subject English. Live English activity, PowerPoint slide, admission form, presented by Sri Ram Khedekar Sir, Assistant Teacher, MA, B.Ed, DSM, LP English School, Khed. Friends, today we are going to learn live English activity, form filling activity. For standard 9 and 10, you have lots of live English activity, and in your course book in standard 9 and 10 also there are lots of live English activity given in your course book. Here in standard 10 you give form filling activity. In your English course book, page number 40, there is admission form, and you want to you have to fill this form very correctly. First, observe this form carefully. In this form, you write your name, student's name, your first name, middle name, and surname. Then, after, write your father name, father first name, middle name, and surname. Then, mother's name, your mother first name, middle name, and surname. Then, admission shout to class. In which class you want to take admission? You select, click on select button, and then you show the standard. Click your standard accurately. Then need transport facility. You have to travel from and you wanted to transport facility, then first column you should tick yes. If you do not want any transport facility, then tick on next column means no, tick there. Then students detail, address. Here student write their own address and full address. Then medical history. Some students have some medical problems. If you have any medical problems or medical history, mention here. Suppose you have not any medical history, just write no or dash here. Next, name of the last school attendance. Here you fill your last school name that you study. Next, date of birth. Here you also want to select your date, month and year. Next, and past class. Last year, which class you have to pass, mention here. Place of birth, your birthplace, write the name of that city or village. Skills, talents of the child. If you have any skills, mention here or write here. So, in this way, you feel your accurate, and when all information fill, you should read it carefully before you click the next button. So, it is your duty to check it once again before you click on the next button. When you click on the next button, there is another form display in front of you. Admission form, parents detail. Here you fill your parents information correctly. First, father's qualification. First you write your father's qualification, then your father's occupations. Occupations means job, service. Then write your father's mobile number. Then write your father's email ID. Next, your mother's qualification. Write or fill your mother's qualification here. Also, mother's occupation, mother's mobile number, and mother's name of brother or sister's schooling here. Your brothers or sisters, they already in this school, mention their name. Otherwise, you fill here dash or no. And suppose they are studying here in the same school, select their standard and since, from which year they studying here. So select the standard and since, from which standard they studying here. Also, some documents required, required documents list given here. Upload the scanned copies of the following documents. You have to upload the scanned copies of your documents in this with this form. First, living certificate, then second, mark sheet, third, birth certificate, and fourth, Aadhaar card. you have to upload with this form all your documents, and you have to scan. First of all, scan all these documents given here, and then you upload with this admission form. Before you submit the button, submit your form and click the submit button. Before you check once again your parents detail informations, you write on this form, and if all informations are correct, then you submit on the submit buttons. Okay, you fill online form of admission. I will show you an example of how to fill admission form correctly. There is an example. Please watch carefully, and in this way you write your own admission form. First, there is an demo or an example for you how to write, how to fill admission form. First, I show you the how I write the student name, then the father of that student. I fill the information of student's father. Also, I write the mother of that student, the name, full name of the mother. Then I click the admissions out to class. I click the select button and I choose standard 11. Need transfer facility. I click on yes button. I want a transport facility, that's why I click on first yes column. Then student details. Here I write the full address of the student. Then medical history, there is no medical history, that's why I only dash here. Name of the last school attendant, that student's last school name I write here. Next, date of birth. Here you select the date. First you click on date column, then you select the appropriate your own date. Next, month, and then after year. And pass class, your previous class that you passed in that year, mention that class. Place of birth, students place of birth, mention here. Skills, talents of the child, there is any skills of the child, your skill you mention here. I show you some example. Next, click to next button, but before that, first you check all the informations that you fill here, and if the information is correct, click on next button. Then second page is open. Parents detail, second form is parents detail. Here, father's qualification, you mention your father's qualification. Occupation, father's occupation, whatever you mention there. Mobile number of your father, email ID, mother's qualification, then mother's occupation, mobile number of your mother, and email ID of your mother. Name of brother or sister, schooling year. I show you how to write here your brothers or sisters' names. Then select the standard, which standard he or she study. Then select since, in which year, from which year. Required documents, first living certificate, then second mark sheet, third birth certificate, fourth Aadhaar card. You should scan all copies of your documents and attached with this form. Before submit, on click on submit button. First you read carefully all the informations you mention here or write here, and if all informations are correct, then last you click on submit button. In this way you fill your online form. But remember that when you are going to fill online form, carefully you fill all informations in that form, because if you submit the button, then you can't change in it. So remember in your mind, when you going to fill any online form in your life, what information you fill in that form, first check it, and then after you click on submit button. You check your name spelling, your address, your father's name, your mother's name, all information should write here accurate. Okay, so in this way you fill the form given on page number 40, and from this video you have got clear idea about how to fill admission form. Thank you.